Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.